Discovering Framer AI, your new web design friend. Framer AI is a very clever tool. It helps you build websites. You do not need to know any complicated computer code. Think of it like having a helpful robot. This robot understands your ideas. It then builds a website for you. This is wonderful for people who are new to making websites. It is also great if you want to make a website very quickly. Framer AI uses something called artificial intelligence. This is like a computer brain. It has learned how to design good websites. You just tell it what you want. This tool is part of a new wave of no-code platforms. No-code means you can create complex things like websites or apps without writing lines of programming instructions. Instead, you often use simple drag-and-drop actions and plain English commands. This opens up website creation to many more people. Before tools like Framer AI, you might have needed to hire a professional designer or developer, or you might have had to spend many months learning to code yourself. Now the power to build is much more accessible, which is truly exciting for creativity. The features of Framer AI are designed to be easy to use. It offers a starting point generated by AI, which is a huge time saver. Imagine wanting to bake a cake, and someone has already mixed the basic ingredients for you. You then get to do the fun part, decorating it and adding your special touches. Framer AI provides templates and suggestions, but it also gives you the freedom to change almost anything. You can alter colors, move things around, add your own pictures, and change the words. This makes it both powerful and beginner-friendly, a rare combination indeed. One of the best things about Framer AI is how it speeds up the design process. In the past, making even a simple website could take days or weeks. You would have to think about the layout, the colors, the fonts, and how everything fits together. With Framer AI, you can have a first version of your website ready in just a few minutes. This means you can spend more time thinking about what you want to say on your website. You can focus on your message and your content rather than getting stuck on technical details. This is a big step forward for making things on the internet. Starting your web adventure accounts and AI prompts. Getting started with Framer AI is quite straightforward, much like signing up for a new email account. First, you will need to visit the Framer website. Look for a button that says Sign Up or Get Started for free. Usually these buttons are very easy to see. Clicking this will take you to a page where you need to enter some basic information. This might include your email address and a password you choose. Make sure to pick a password that is strong, but also one you can remember. Some services also let you sign up using your Google or Apple account, which can be even quicker. Once you have created your free account, you will be logged into the Framer dashboard. This is like your control center for all your website projects. To start a new website, look for an option like New Project or a + symbol. Click on this. Framer AI is designed to be intuitive, so these starting steps feel natural. You are not faced with a blank, scary page. Instead, you are guided towards creating something new. The platform wants you to succeed, and it makes the initial steps feel welcoming, which is very important when learning a new skill. Now comes the exciting part. Telling the AI what kind of website you want. Framer AI will ask you to type a prompt. A prompt is simply a description of your website idea. For example, if you are a fitness coach, you could type, a landing page for a fitness coach who offers online training programs and healthy recipes. Try to be clear and give some detail. Think about what your website is for and who it is for. The more information you give the AI, the better it can understand your vision and generate a relevant starting point for you. After you type your prompt and hit enter, the AI gets to work. It will think for a few moments, and then, like magic, it will generate a website design for you. This design will include different sections, placeholder text, and even some images related to your prompt. It is a fantastic starting point. Remember, this is just the first draft. The AI has given you a foundation, a canvas upon which you can now paint your own unique picture. Do not worry if it is not perfect straight away. The next steps are all about making it your own. Personalizing your space. Customizing your AI-generated site. Once Framer AI has generated your initial website, it is time to make it truly yours. This is where you can let your personality and brand shine through. You can customize almost everything. Let's start with the layout. Perhaps you want to change the order of the sections or maybe make one section bigger and another smaller. Framer usually allows you to click on different parts of the page, called elements or blocks. You can then drag them to new positions or resize them. It feels a bit like arranging furniture in a room until it looks just right. Editing text is also very simple. Click on any text on the page and you should be able to type your own words. Replace the placeholder text, like "Welcome to our website," with your own unique message. You can also change the font, which is the style of the letters. Framer will have a list of different fonts to choose from. Pick one that matches the feeling of your website. For example, a playful font might be good for a children's toy shop, while a more serious font might suit a law firm. You can also change the size and color of your text to make important words stand out. Images are very important for making a website look good. The AI will probably have added some images based on your prompt, but you will likely want to use your own. You can usually upload pictures directly from your computer. Look for an upload image button or an option to replace an existing image. Make sure your images are clear and relevant to your content. Good quality photos can make a big difference to how professional your website looks. You can also adjust the size and position of your images, just like you do with other elements on the page. Adding other components like buttons is also a key part of customization. Buttons are important because they encourage visitors to take action, such as learn more or contact us. Framer will have a library of components you can add. You might find options to add buttons, contact forms, image galleries, or even maps. You can drag these onto your page and then customize them. For example, you can change the text on a button, its color, and what happens when someone clicks it. Some platforms also offer simple animation options, like making an element fade in as you scroll, which can add a nice touch of flair. Sharing your creation. Publishing and what's next. After you have spent time customizing your website and you are happy with how it looks and feels, the next step is to preview it. Previewing allows you to see your website exactly as your visitors will see it. This is a very important step. Look for a preview button, often represented by an eye icon. Clicking this will open your website in a new tab or window. Check everything carefully. Click on all the buttons and links to make sure they work correctly. See how it looks on different screen sizes if the preview tool offers that option, as many people will view your site on mobile phones. Once you are satisfied with the preview, it is time to publish your site. Publishing makes your website live on the internet so that anyone can visit it. Framer makes this incredibly easy. There will be a publish button, usually very visible. When you click it, Framer will often give you a free web address, something like, with just a click, your creation is out there for the world to see. It is a very rewarding moment to see your ideas come to life online so quickly and easily. You can share this link with friends, family, or potential customers. Building your first website with Framer AI is just the beginning of an exciting journey. The platform is designed to be intuitive, but like any new tool, there is always more to learn. Perhaps you want to explore more advanced design features, connect a custom domain name, or learn about search engine optimization to help people find your site. The skills you gain by experimenting and building are invaluable. Each project helps you understand a little bit more about how good ideas can be shared and how connections are made online. We encourage you to keep exploring. Don't be afraid to try new things and make mistakes. That's often how the best learning happens. Framer and other similar tools are constantly evolving, adding new features and possibilities. Look for more tutorials, join online communities of users, and see what other people are creating. The world of web design is now more open than ever before. So dive in, start creating, and see where your ideas can take you. What will you build next?